Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Optima SXL trim level. The car comes with a 2-liter turbocharged engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, and all the options being an SXL trim. Has a panoramic sunroof, signal repeaters in the mirrors, aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, surround camera, and a whole bunch of other things that we'll talk about as we go around the car. It's on special and it's on clearance because it is a 2018. It's time to clear them out. Come around the driver's side, go down the car. Let's take a look inside. Driver's seat has 2-position memory, power windows, locks and mirrors, Harman Kardon sound system, rear cross traffic alert plus lane departure, power trunk, traction control. This car only has 327 kilometers on it. You'll notice it has paddle shifters for some spirited driving. Car also has cruise and audio controls on the wheel. A really nice badge that says SXL. Let's climb in the car and have a look. Car will come with a 3-month subscription of Sirius XM radio included. The car does have navigation. The navigation chip is not currently installed, but will be when the car is purchased. Shift into reverse. Car also has cameras all the way around, as you can see, and that's selectable just by pushing any of the buttons and the view will change. Going down a little bit further, we have all the controls for the radio and the navigation. Below that, the climate control, auxiliary and USB input ports, plus 12-volt charging ports. Heated and cooled front leather seats. The view of the camera can also be changed with that button, and there's an auto hold switch. Of course, push button start. Take a look at that quality leather and the beautiful stitching that has been put into that. Driver's seat is also powered. Let's go to the back of the car. The back seat, the same quality leather stitching. The back seat also is heated for the comfort of your passengers. There's a 12-volt charging port and a USB port back here for the convenience of your passengers. And looking up, we have an absolutely gorgeous big panoramic sunroof to let the sunshine in on those beautiful days we have here in the Lower Mainland. Let's push the button and open that trunk. So looking in that trunk, this would make an absolutely fantastic touring vehicle. You could go anywhere in North America in absolute comfort. Plenty of room for luggage. You want to carry some outdoor gear with you maybe. Pick up some groceries. Just a shot of that SXL badge. So this absolutely gorgeous 2018 Kia Optima SXL is available at West Coast Kia. Come down and take the Optima for a test drive. Enjoy the comfort, enjoy the performance. Bring the family down. See how well everyone fits in the car. See how well this car would fit into your lifestyle. Again, we're West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. We invite you to come down, talk to one of our knowledgeable Kia salespeople, find out more about this 2018 Optima SXL.